Samsung Galaxy S7 Battery Replacement Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver. Power down your Samsung Galaxy S7 phone. Remove the nano SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Samsung Galaxy S7 rear panel is soundly glued on and is a snug fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a plastic triangle opening tool. Use triangle opening tools to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the glass rear panel from the Galaxy S7 phone. Apply additional heat as needed. Remove the following 12 Phillips screws. With the tweezers, remove the 3 modular pieces. These individual components are connected to the motherboard by way of tiny spring contacts. They include the S7's antenna, loudspeaker, and wireless charging coil. Detach the S7 battery from the motherboard. The battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use the triangle opening tool to work around the battery and set it free from the adhesive securing it to the frame. Remove the 3000 mAh Galaxy S7 battery from the phone. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.